Hello and welcome to the channel. I am the Coins Monster. What's up guys? Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm bringing you a Bitcoin update following the previous videos that I've already made. Okay, this is important, so I have to bring it up because the whole market right now depends on this stage of Bitcoin. Alright, let's get into it. Now if you recall from my first video, I did mention Bitcoin was most likely to drop towards 39k. Okay, that will be the first target to the downside. Now, last night, Bitcoin did bounce off of 39,650. Okay, so that's pretty close. And the fractal currently from the previous drop is playing out, which means that there is a possibility that Bitcoin within the next few days after range it breaks out and comes back down to give us a higher low confirmation. Okay, so follow the projection as such and then range a little bit more and then eventually go to the upside. Now what happens when this does play out? Well, as I mentioned before, this is going to be the final phase of all coins accumulation. Okay? And at this phase, Bitcoin will start heading to the upside towards my targets of $55,000 or $60,000. Okay, that is the range as I have marked from the previous videos. This is the range that I expect Bitcoin to hit. Okay, and this personally is going to be my exit point from crypto. Okay, now why do I repeat this? Because it's very important. At that stage, when Bitcoin does retrace to the upside between 55 and 60,000, the WYCKOFF distribution phase will be complete. Okay. And given the fact that market cap of Bitcoin has hit already the full fib extension levels, the chances for Bitcoin to go to the upside, breaking 69,000, hitting 100,000, 150,000 are basically next to impossible. Okay, so this is the projection. And if you recall, I did mention a WYCKOFF distribution phase on a bigger range that is currently playing out. Okay, this will be at the left shoulder, the head, and I would expect another right shoulder to confirm, and that is a bearish pattern. Okay, remember, head and shoulders, bearish pattern means to the downside. So this is what's missing currently from Bitcoin, and I'm expecting this to play out as it has done in the previous cycles in 2017 and 2013. Okay, now do note that Bitcoin is most likely to give us a double bottom. Okay, because after a decent drop, when it pushes to the upside, the indicators will be maxed out. Okay, so traders will not be accumulating or not be trading when this breaks out. They will wait to enter the trades when it comes back down to give us a confirmation low, which will be a higher low than 39,650, and that's when traders will make their big trades. Okay, so avoid the fake outs and just watch Bitcoin for this projection to play out. Okay, now there is one thing I will mention I have noticed in Bitcoin given the recent updates. Okay, now if you watch closely, Bitcoin in this downtrend channel, this looks like a flag. Okay, it looks like a bear flag. Now there are many wicks to the upside, to the downside, which means it's just ranging. Okay, it's a massive range. Now if Bitcoin cannot hold this level, this flag right here, and this projection does not play out, means Bitcoin does not break out from 40,000, 42,000 to the upside, then it means chances for it to get down are going to be slightly bigger. Okay, so we'll have to extend the fractal. If you recall from my first video, I did mention if panic selling gets really intense, it could hit $37,000 in between that range. Okay, so again, if Bitcoin cannot hold this flag right here, this flag, it can drop. Now we can see the measured move of this bear flag actually hits 37,675. Okay, but looking at this trend line right here, this one, Bitcoin can hit 36,000 as well. Okay, so watch for that either range to play out. Okay, because this bear flag, given the wick action, to be honest, looks very weak, and this is on daily time frame. Okay, so why do I say it looks weak? Well, because looking at the indicators, I don't see a bullish divergence confirmed yet as it did in the past. Okay, now I will mention where I saw this. Okay, you can see on the indicators right here, there was a bullish divergence. Okay, the red histogram just went lower and lower and lower, but the price action was going deeper to the downside. Okay, that is bullish divergence, and that's why Bitcoin was able to break to the upside. Now this right here has yet to be confirmed on the histogram, the red histogram. Okay, I will zoom in so you can see clearly. It is currently lower than the previous one, which is good. Now if this thing can hold out, it will definitely give us another confirmation of a bullish divergence. Okay, so this is what I'm currently waiting on. And also the stochastics, 80% move on the stochastics to the downside has happened already. Okay, now that means the projection of the stochastics is to go as such and then back to the upside. Okay, that is only going to happen when the bullish divergence is confirmed, because we do have to wait for the signal line, the red line, to come down as well. Okay, and then eventually the blue will cross the red, which is going to be bullish. Okay, also when I take a look at this, the RSI, we can also make a falling wedge on the RSI, which is a powerful indicator. It had a fake out, now it's come back down, which means it was a weak move. Now if this RSI does not break to the upside, but instead just ranges and then goes to the downside, that means it's going to hit the targets of 37,000, 36,000, in between that range. Okay, which will mean that it actually hits my trend line right here of the range, and then it's going to play out this fractal just on a deeper level. Okay, so either case is to watch for is currently for Bitcoin to range a few days, break out from 41,000, or just fall to the downside to 37,000 and then break out again. Okay, just the only difference will be it's just going to take a longer time. You just have to be patient. Okay, but the charts are speaking for itself. Now I do expect this Wyckoff accumulation fractal right here to play out, range, breakout, double bottom, confirmation, and to the upside, no matter what price is from. And then the biggest Wyckoff distribution range, which is highlighted right here. Okay, so that's the update, guys. And if you liked the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you will be alerted on the new videos coming out, possible trades, excellent percentage gains, or just research on projects that are likely to give you the biggest potential for the remainder of the bull market. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned and stay safe. Stay blessed.
And you are fools, go!